Ayan. Meron na tayong thumbnail. We have done it. We have done it. Sobrang wow. I can create thumbnails in CapCut. I just proved it to you all. So this is version 1. This is version 1. It's ugly as fuck. And this is version 2. Sheesh! Annyeonghaseyo lahat. So for this video, we are going to teach you how to create thumbnails just by using CapCut.
What?
And no, don't click away please. This isn't clickbait. Bigla ko siya naisip because I realized that, you know, I don't want to spend the rest of my life just switching apps just to create the thumbnail. Like, I usually do my thumbnails via Figma, and if you can see here, it's actually super chaotic. So, I thought, okay, I had this crazy idea. What if I just create thumbnails in CapCut? So, this is what we're gonna do today. So, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. So, we have a game screenshot here. This is actually an ultra-wide aspect ratio screenshot. So, this is a game called Star Siege Dead Zone. What I usually do is set this to 16:9 and then we crop. We can get this. And we have your thumbnail background. And then next thing that I would usually do, I can actually do this. I can crop my head here. Let's go to edit. Let's now get my face. So this is another nifty feature that I like about CapCut. It's easier to crop. So just confirm. And here's my first lazy method of doing a screenshot. So you select this layer, the one with my face or your face, and just go to cutout. And you can do this on the free version of CapCut, by the way. So this auto cutout is already present in the free version, though I'm using Pro. Okay. And we're gonna explore the customized brushes later on. So here's the first lazy method. And there we go. And you can enter any caption you want. Let's add your default text. Let's go with my test branding. Let's go with Sync and Sans. Let's type some caption. Okay. Then let's get this one. Shadow, check this, and then let's go with, let's pick the color from the game itself. Yeah, there we go. And if you want this text to appear right behind your face, you can do this little trick. Just go with, just control click this one, the background, and then then right click, then create compound clip, or just memorize the keyboard shortcut Alt G, and there you can see the text is already behind. I know the next question you might ask, what if I want to move this text? So you can actually just undo the compound clip, then just move wherever. So if you just want that effect, but it isn't really required. So there we go. Nice. That's a nice touch. And you can export the still frame by clicking on this burger icon right above the upper right corner of the player. Here we go. Yeah, export still frame 720p. So yan, baka sabihin nyo kasi nantutroll ako. We have our thumbnail. We have our thumbnail. Oh yan, ganyan gumawa ng thumbnail. See, you don't need to open Photoshop. You don't need to open Canva. You can just edit straight from CapCut. See? It's possible. So here's another method of creating an attractive thumbnail, especially if you're doing gaming videos, is, scrub your videos here. So let's say this screenshot. This is actually a good clip. So what I usually do is just add this. Oh, we can add that. Wait, that's actually a good frame. Let's get where the hell's the frame? Oh, this is a good frame. This is actually a good frame. We can freeze this. So right click and edit freeze frame. Okay, so we got this now. Then you actually get this scene. we can go 16 by 9. There we go. And the next thing that we're gonna do is, actually, we can also, let's get this screenshot again. And then we are going to, we're gonna crop. Actually, I haven't done this experiment before, so we're gonna test it out right now. Let's see if CapCut can actually detect the cutout of this guy. So let's see. So it says here only human figures can be cut out. So let's see if CapCut will identify this guy as a human. Holy shit, it works! Okay, it works. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. Just put this guy here. Hey, it's passable. See? You now have a crazy screenshot. What the fuck? It actually works. Okay. And then if you want, let's say I want to put my face in this helmet. Let's add my face. And then we actually don't use auto cutout for this. So this is where the pro features of CapCut come in. So we can use this customized brushes. So what would I do usually? If I want to put my face here, let's go with, yeah, just a smart brush. So you just create a circle. Just think of this as the lasso tool for Photoshop. Okay, just circle around your face. Until here. What the fuck? Yo, that's not what I meant. Oh, how the hell do you use this correctly? What the? Why are you getting the entire face? Why? Smart eraser. Okay, let's go with smart eraser. Let's see what this does. Sorry guys, I don't usually use this. I just want to demonstrate to you guys that it's possible to create your own thumbnails in CapCut. That's the whole point of this video, okay? What the fuck? Yan, okay na siguro to. You know what? Yeah. Let's just roll with it. Let's just jive with this. Okay, there. At least it's smart enough to erase the other background. And bakit ang bastos naman ng app na to? Bakit yung noo ko lang yung kinuha nyo? Airport yan? Okay. What? What the fuck happened? There. Okay. Let's just continue the smart brushing. Okay, so sometimes the smart brush of CapCut gets buggy and shit. But this is just what I want. Okay, CapCut, just don't get the rest of my face. Come on! Okay, you know what? We're gonna do this the mano-mano way. We're gonna use this eraser instead, just to clean up. Yeah, this is a bit hassle, pero as long as it gets the job done right. You know what? I'm just gonna make this bigger. Pinapahirapan ko sarili ko. Oops, nakat yung baba ko. What the fuck? Okay. Smart brush ulit ng konti dito. Ayan. Okay. Let's do precision erasing. Okay. Shazam. Okay, so if you're done, if you're happy with what you've cut out, all you need to do is hit apply. And there you have your head. It's not the cleanest, okay? I know it's not the cleanest. But at least it's something, right? So I can just put my face here. And yeah. Just put this CapCut shiz here. Just to prove to you guys that I actually made this using CapCut. See? You can also lock some layers here. It really looks like Photoshop, okay? You can actually also lock layers and like you just wanna move certain elements like this one, so you won't touch these. So I guess that's about it for now. But you get the idea, guys. At least you guys know that it's possible to create thumbnails out of CapCut. So we can just export this. I don't know which thumbnail is better. Comment down below. But yeah, I'ma continue to experiment with this. Hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to follow me if you want some more of these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ones. Paalam sa inyong lahat.